Megan here with WTI, and if you are regularly hitting the gym, then you're gonna want a functional gym bag. What I love about this one by RHDZO is its size and all the pockets. This gym bag holds so many things. I love that there's a separate compartment for my shoes. That way, any dirt from the gym floor is not transferring to any of my clean clothes in the gym bag. Now, despite its size, it fits perfectly into your standard size locker. Another bonus is that this gym bag comes with straps at the bottom for your yoga mat. And if you're not traveling with a yoga mat, it's easy to hide the straps. What I tend to do is tighten the strap to the smallest it can go, and then I fish one side through the bottom. I clip it together, and then I just kind of tuck it inside so it's hidden away. This gym bag is perfect because it fits so much inside of it, and it's great because of its multiple pockets. And that's my point of view.